What's up, folks? Give me just a second here. Gonna jam a little bit. Haven't played the guitar in quite a while. Let's move this chair over so it's not in my way here of my legs. Play the 7-string a bit. I haven't had it out. In quite a while. I'm kind of half asleep from work, but we're gonna do some jamming anyways. Let's see here. All right, this is A minor ballad, tall ballad guitar backing track, standing tall. That's what it's called. All right. might be a little out of tune here. It sounds like it. Checking things out because it's been a while since I played this guitar. I haven't really done too much. Restful, soulful, in D. That sounds fun. Let's do that one. In D. That was cool. We'll do a couple more here, maybe one or two more. Trouble Blues. Bittersweet Soulful Groove in D. That one was in D last time, so we won't do that again. Romantically Soulful in D. Dude, Missing You Blues Groove. What does that sound like? We're so sad today. It's an A. Seems cool. Vibing, modern, neo soul guitar backing track. No, thank you. C sharp minor. I'm trying to find like one I haven't done in a while, or one I haven't done before. Like, man, there's so many that they upload. Emotional in G. Okay, this works. 90 BPM. Got a Music Man here. G minor. fails, what do we do, right? Okay, guys, I'm done. Dude. I don't edit my stuff, dude. Whatever happens, happens. Because, like, I just sit down here and I just go for it. Is it gonna sound good? Not all the time, you know? I know a lot of that was out of key. But I did find out that I think this is G on the 7. I do have the Joe Satriani Tonex pedal. I got the limited edition. It just came in last week, and I want to do a video on it, but I don't have a way to show the pedal and all of its coolness and sit and do the playing stuff of it too. So maybe someday I'll get a video of that up, but I hadn't played this RG752 in quite some time. It's been a long time. I put new strings on it. It has held tune while it's been in the case. See, still, I haven't done anything to this guitar since the day I got it from Sweetwater, which was like December of last year. So the Prestige stuff, they really hold the setup very well. At least down here in my climate, you know. Played it, you know, and normally I'm very used to playing this guitar because I've played it a lot, but it's been sitting under the bed in favor of the 550 lately. But every time I pick one of these up, dude, that I have the 7-string or the 6-string version, it's just like I said about the 550, it's like that first cup of coffee in the morning. Anyway, guys, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And man, this guitar, these Prestige guitars, dude, like, they're more guitar than I'm capable of having. You know? I mean, my technique isn't the greatest or anything like that, and this thing can afford you so much more than what my technique can deliver, you know? I need to sit down and practice and really get my technique up, you know? I never went through, like when I was younger, let me turn the amp off. When I was younger, learning to play, I never went through a whole like technique phase, like a lot of players do. You know, I never sat down and was like, okay, so sweeping is like, and getting all the mechanics and the movement of the arms and the synchronization and all that stuff up. I just learned songs. That was it. Metallica for 15 years. Can I play that to this day? No, I cannot. My buddy Josh, I should have videoed that for YouTube, but it'd probably get blocked. Anyway, my buddy Josh was sitting here with me, and I told him, I was like, dude, just put on some old Metallica, man. And I sat down, was going to play along to it without any tabs, you know, and let's see what I can remember. Now, some of it came right back, you know, the old muscle memory, but some of it I have to go back into my books and relearn. So yeah, I never went through a technique phase to get, you know, crazy good at sweeping and tapping and alternate picking and all that. I just learned songs. And this guitar, me being self-taught, is more guitar than I'm capable of. But if you're one of those guys that, you know, your technique is way better than mine, or you want to work on getting your technique way better than it is, these guitars, Prestige, anything, will be gold for you. So, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and keep it metal out there. We'll see you next time.